Good morning to you all. Welcome to the discussion on geometric constructions. Under this, we are discussing now bisecting a line, bisect an arc, bisect an angle, divide a line into equal parts, divide a circle into equal parts, construction of pentagon and construction of hexagon. Now we'll move towards bisecting a line. That is, we have to bisect a line. So here we have to bisect line AB, that is also called perpendicular bisector. Here line AB is to be bisected. So for this, what is the construction procedure? That we'll see now.
Now we'll move towards the construction of bisecting a line. AB is the given line. This line to be bisected. For that, with A as a center, more than half of the length of AB as a radius, draw an arc. With B as a center, with the same radius, draw another arc. After that, name this point as C and this point as D. Join CD. Name this intersection point of this bisecting line and the actual line as O. Here AO is equal to OB. Here line AB is with H pencil and remaining lines are with 2H pencil.
The theoretical steps for construction of a bisecting line are given below. That is, with A as a center and radius greater than half of AB, mark arcs. With B as center and radius greater than half of AB, mark arcs. Join the intersection points of C and D. CD is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Length of OA is equal to OB and the line CD is perpendicular to the given line AB. These are all procedural steps of bisecting a line. Now we'll move towards bisecting an arc. So this arc AB is to be bisected. Now we'll move towards the construction procedure for bisecting an arc.
With A as a center, more than this half of AB as a radius, draw an arc. With B as a center, with the same radius, draw another arc. Then name this point as C and this point as D. Join CD. Here name this point as O. Here the arc length AO is equal to arc length OB. Here arc AB is with H pencil, remaining construction part with 2H pencil.
This is the theoretical procedure for bisecting an arc. Now we'll move towards bisecting an angle. Angle PQR. Angle PQR is to be bisected. What is the theoretical procedure as well as construction procedure we'll discuss now. This angle PQR is to be bisected. For that, what is the construction procedure that we'll discuss now.
Now we'll see How to bisect an angle? Say P, Q, R, that is angle PQR to be bisected. For this, what we have to do? With some radius Q as a center, draw an arc on QP line. With the same radius, draw an arc on QR line. Name this point as C and this point as D. With C as a center, the same radius, draw an arc. With D as a center, with the same radius, draw an arc. Name this point as E. Then join QE here. Angle PQE is equal to angle EQR. That is, this angle is equal to this angle. Like this, we will bisect an angle.
These are all the theoretical steps for bisecting an angle. Thank you.